represent a strong women rising from the ashes, ready to thrive and take over the world. Miss Grand Quiapo.
Naapakan niya yung gown niya. Abot ang ulo mo dyan! Oo, naapakan niya. Baya?
Liberty, gravity, beauty, and transformation, also known as the LGBTQIA+ community. Villa Imelda, Caloocan City, Buckingham! My name is Lucky Collins, a 22-year-old stunner, all the way from the bargain capital of the Philippines, Quiapo, Manila. And tonight, I may not have the most beautiful face. I may not also have the most sexy body. Pero pag talino at talento ang pinag-usapan, lahat ng 18 kandidata ay bibigyan ko ng isang labang hindi makakalimutan. Tonight, I am Lucky Collins, but please let me stand by the name of the one and only. Ang babaeng ipinagpalit ni Richard Gutierrez. Ladies and gentlemen, let me stand by the name of the one and only goddess of the dance floor, Miss
Venus.
Sara Labati.
Sara Labati.
Palakpakan. Ganon. Sara Labati na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, your face and body will fade in a few years, but the commitment to serve and the commitment to contribute to your society will be the legacy that you can live for the future generation to stand by. Lucky Collins, Miss Grand Quiapo, Manila! Traditional Ifugao warrior costume, a minimal and symbolic attire from the Cordillera region of the Philippines, emphasizing strength and heritage. Designer, the one and only Patrick Isolena and Cano Francisco.
Tonight, each and every candidate wants to be remarkable. I may not be the most beautiful and sexy, but I strongly believe that simplicity is the best. And being simple is truly being. remarkable. So with pride and honor, allow me to bring you the Ifugao warrior costume. And it only showcases that we, Filipinos, are one of the strongest person in the world. And our resiliencies will always be beyond compare. Hello! Maglang people! Mabuhay! Ang babae pong nasa inyong harapan ay minsan nyo nang napanood sa Miss Q&A ng It's Showtime. Opo, tama po kayo. Ako nga ba ang babaeng may nakakalaglag, pustisong ganda. Natunghayan po ninyo ang kwento ng aking buhay sa Rated K. Sinabayang tumawa sa Gandang Gabi Vice at muling nasilayan ang aking kagandahan sa Metro Manila Film Festival na pinamagatang The Revenger Squad ni Vice Ganda. My name is Princess Kim Santillan and I am an OFW from Saudi Arabia. At naniniwala po ako na mahirap pong magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Pero, mas mahirap pong magpakalalaki yung pinanganak kang tomboy at princess ang pangalan mo. At naniniwala rin po ako na sa Amerika, pag napatunayang kurap ka, pupunta ka ng kulungan. Dito sa Pilipinas, pag napatunayang kurap ka, pupunta ka ng Amerika. Maraming salamat po. Palakpak!
Is when South Cotabato is very kakabilaw. Leyna ng Tinalak is a modern tribute to Filipino heritage, inspired by the sacred Tinalak and of the Tripoli people, with a bold, sculpted form and fiery elements. It symbolizes passion, resilience, and cultural pride, tradition reimagined for the future. Miss Grand, South Cotabato.
Ladies and gentlemen, people of Imelda, Caloocan City, I am proudly wearing right now the festival costume that showcases the royalty, intricate beadwork, and hard work of the Tiboli tribe. The Reyna ng Tinalak costume, straight from South Cotabato. My name is Engineer Solen Garcia Centino, 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, Lalawigan ng Bulacan. And yes, I am proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University and now a certified software engineer by profession. Or isa po sa mga sertipikadong inhinyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight, I was asked to introduce myself further. Yes, isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pindutan. Sumagot po sa mga katanungan na puno ng kalokohan. At nagpakita rin po ng aking talino at galing sa showtime. Yes, I'm one of your Miss Q&A Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalists and your recently concluded Queen of Tondo 2026. But since tonight I was asked to borrow one specific personality, allow me to borrow the sexiest vixen of this generation, the one and only Cassiopeia from the fantasy called Encantadia, your one and only Miss Solen Yusuf.
Master of question, made of Swarovski crystal with embellished petals. Designer, Kim Marie.
Good evening, people of Caloocan City. For the end time, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you. In a world where everyone would like to be noticed, I prefer to be remembered. I may not be the prettiest, the sexiest, or probably not your most talented candidate, but one thing is for sure, I am authentic. And I am always ready to give them a good fight. Hello, Philippines. Hello, world. My name is Ash Aldama, 26 years of age, all the way from the historical capital of the Philippines. Mula sa bayan, sinilangan ng ating kalayaan. I am your Miss Grand, Kawit, Cavite. Tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only lady who once captured the heart of Mr. Aldra Predica. Magbigay pugay sa inyong reyna amihan, Miss Kylie Padilla. I am a tourism ambassador, a social media manager, and proud and humbled to be the first ever Reyna ng Turismo Cavite 2023. Ang inyong Reyna ng Turismo Cavite na nagsasabing, it is always better to fail by doing something than to excel by doing nothing. Come what may, I am here to slay. Thank you.